Hey friends, welcome back to the Gear Channel. So today I thought I'd actually share some real world YouTube numbers with you, and more importantly, exactly what Gary the Gear makes on YouTube doing videos every single week. So this channel was started April 18th, 2020. We currently have 2,276 subs. I've uploaded 576 videos. In total, we have 725,896 views. The channel typically averages between 20 and 30,000 views per month. Only 11.9% of you are actually subbed. 88.1% are not. It's obviously something I need to work on. Now, what's required for monetization on YouTube is you need 1,000 subs and 4,000 watch hours for long format videos. If you're into the short format deal, or shorts videos as they call it, that's filmed in the vertical orientation, and it's 1 minute or less. You need 10 million shorts views in the past 90 days to actually get monetized. There's more than 113.9 million active channels on YouTube. Only 8% of those will actually make it to 1,000 subs. It's 1 out of every 12. So less than 5% of the big YouTubers are out there that actually make enough money to live on. And these people actually have, in some cases, they have teams of people working with them. They have sound guys and camera guys and people that are actually editing the videos. And some of these folks that do it on their own, it's a huge job. For every minute of video could take an hour of editing. So a 20-minute video could take 20 hours to actually edit. It's a huge 7-day-a-week, 24/7 job in order to be successful on YouTube. There is lots of channels out there that are capable of it, but very few actually get to that point where they can actually survive off of this. In the last 28 days, I've made $83.35 exactly. My last video I uploaded, which was the Shifters Hop night last Saturday night, that one has made $3.97 exactly, and that's currently at 1,100 views. Shorts videos, typically you'll get, for every 1,000 views, you'll get 3 cents to 7 cents. So if you have a video that has 10,000 views, you can make $4 or $5 from that. Not a lot of money. Shorts don't. However, shorts videos, it is a good idea to do them. It gets out to a broad audience, and it could actually increase your subs quite easily. To date, from April 18th, 2020 to today, I've made a total of $454.94 on YouTube. Now, currently I have about $2,000 invested in camera equipment. That's cameras and mics and all the stuff that goes along with that. And there is a software program that costs me about $30 a month. So I'm a long ways from paying for any of my gear, and probably by the time I do earn enough to actually pay for my equipment, it'll need to be upgraded anyway. So now, really, the biggest thing I can take away from having this channel that's been a real gift is all the friends I've made, all you guys that watch the channel and approach me at events and say hi. I watch your stuff and I enjoy it. And that really makes me feel good. That's what, at the end of the day, that is really what I can take away from this, and that is the big gift that I get from YouTube. Certainly, there's not a lot of money in here for the average YouTuber. This channel typically averages between $50 and $100 a month. And that's kind of where most YouTubers are at. There's a lot of big channels that are out there that are really successful and do well, but there's a lot of time and energy involved in actually making that happen. So the average lifespan of a YouTube channel is 3 to 5 years, and that varies. These are all percentages. These are all numbers that you guys can find online. None of this is You know, this is all stuff that is out there. It's common information, but it all varies. There's some YouTubers have been doing it for, you know, 10, 15 years. Now you've actually made 1,000 subscribers, and now you're qualified to actually be monetized on YouTube. So the process is you have to actually create an AdSense account, and this gives you lots of hoops to jump through. It takes several weeks, to lots of documents to fill out. You have to send away all your tax information, your country of origin, and all that sort of thing. And it takes several weeks. And then only when that is finally finished and done, and all the, you know, the T's are dotted and the I's are dotted, T's are crossed, from that day forward can you actually start to earn money on YouTube. And it only starts on that day. And they won't actually send you any money until you've reached $100 in total. And at that point, so it takes, even after you're monetized, and it takes several weeks, months in fact, before you receive that first dollar on YouTube. So certainly if you're thinking of starting a channel, I highly recommend it. YouTube's been a lot of fun. It is a lot of work. You know, I used to go to car events and come home and put my feet up, and I can no longer do that. It's several hours of editing and uploading, and like I say, creating thumbnails and descriptions and titles and tags and things like that. It takes several hours every single weekend to make this all happen, but it's been a lot of fun. I still enjoy it, so I'm going to continue to, you know, upload videos for you guys on a weekly basis. I've certainly, it's not something you want to get into because of the money. Like I say, if the only guys that can really do this have a team of people behind them in a lot of cases, or they invest hundreds of thousands of hours of time to bring high quality videos for you. Now the keys to any successful channel, consistent uploads, that's really important. So you want to, you know, consistently upload, you know, maybe once or twice a week, or daily. Some channels upload videos on a daily basis. So you want to stay consistent with whatever you're doing, and also the content you're uploading. It's a really good idea to stick with. You know, you can't upload cat videos one week and then airplane videos the next week. It just, you want to, if the people are going to sub your channel, they need to know what they're actually subbing. They have a common interest, and in my case it's hot rods, muscle cars, customs and classics, and all the events I attend. So I try to stick to that, or automotive related stuff. So anyway guys, I thought I'd share some of that stuff with you. Certainly, you know, I'm not crying about what I'm making on YouTube. Any dollar is great to, you know, to help me, you know, pay for some of this stuff. It's a lot of work behind the scenes, several hours in fact every single week. But not complaining at all. And like I say, the biggest gift I have is all the friends I've made on this channel, all the local people, and I get comments from all over the world. It's incredible. You'll see my analytics page will actually tell me which country a lot of people are watching from, and what their age is, what their gender is, right down to the city, and what device they're actually watching the YouTube videos on. There's a lot of information in your analytics page, and it helps you just grow your channel and make things better and make it interesting. So you gotta, you know, it's a constant challenge to make better videos, and that's what it's all about, making better videos, better content, and the best quality stuff. It's always something you got to keep growing if you want to be successful at this, and got to keep making them as good as possible, something that people would want to watch, and I enjoy doing it. So anyway, thanks for watching guys. Thought I'd share that little stuff with you. Be totally honest with what Gary the Gear makes on YouTube. It's not a lot, but I'm gonna keep doing it because we're having a lot of fun. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys next time.